If you can, please print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Round the following to one decimal place. First one, 4.5484. So at the moment, 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. So to round up to one decimal place, in another word, is write up to one number after decimal point. So this is 4.5. We write up to this. Now before we write 4.5, we check the number after 5. So that is 4. So any numbers that is from 5 onward, we need to add 1 to 5. Now in this case, it's less than 5. So therefore, we write 5.4. So we write this symbol here. That means 4.5. Second one, 6.35. So at the moment is 2 number after decimal point, so which is 2 decimal place. So we need to write up to 1 decimal place because the question is round to 1 decimal place. Now before we write 6.3, of course we check the number after 3. So which is 5, so halfway. So from 5 onward, we need to add 1 to 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer is approximately 6.4. That's the answer. Third one, 7.9568. So round up to 1 decimal place because at the moment is 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. So we write up to 9. Before we write 7.9, we have to check the number after 9. So is 5. So therefore halfway we need to add 1 to 9. So we add 1 to 9, which is 10. So the answer is 8.0. So 7.9, we add 0.1 because 1 to 9, which is 0 carry 1, which is 8. So 8.0. Now please do not write 8. 8 means whole number. Okay, 1 decimal place means 1 number after decimal point. Because it's 0, we still need to write it down to indicate that 1 decimal place. So 8.0. Now, please stop the video and try this one yourself. Now to round off to 1 decimal place, first one, 8.1264. So all we need to care about is first of all is 8.1 first. Now we know that we write up to there. But before we write 8.1, of course, we need to check the number after 1 because 1 decimal place is up to 1. So therefore, the 2 is less than 5. So therefore, the answer is 8.1. We don't need to add 1 to 1. So the answer is 8.1. Second one, 23.0465. Again, we write up to 1 decimal place, so which is 23.0. Of course, before you write 23.0, we need to look at the number after 0. So make sure if it's from 5 onward, we need to add 1 to 0. If it's less than 5, we just leave as it is. In this case, 4 is less than 5. So the answer is 23.0. Third one, 12.558. So we write up to 1 decimal place, so 12.5. Of course, before we write that, the number after 5 is 5. So we add 1 to 5. We add 1 to this 5 here, which is 6. So is 12.6. So round the following to 2 decimal place. So it's exactly the same process as correct to 1 decimal place. So please stop the video and try this one yourself. See if you get these correct. first one, 8.1264 at the moment is 4 decimal place. So we want to write up to 2. So which is 8.12. So we write up to here. Of course, we need to check the number after 2, the last digit. So which is 6. So 6 is greater than 5, of course. So we add 1 to 2, which is 3. So the answer is 8.13. Second one, 23.0405. So we round to 2 decimal place. So we write up to here. So 2 number after decimal point. Of course, before we write that, the number after 4 is 0, so less than 5. So we write it as it is. So which is 23.04. Last one, 12.5987. So correct to 2 decimal place, or round to 2 decimal place if you like. So this is 12.59. So we check the number after 9, which is 8. So more than 5, of course. So we add 8 to 9, or 59 if you like. 8 add 59 is 60. So which is 12.60. Round the following to 3 decimal place. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first one. So we have 4 decimal place. So we have 4 decimal place. So we want to write up to 3 only. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 number after decimal point. So before we write that, of course, we need to check the number after 6. So it's 4, so less than 5. So we can write up to this, and that's it. So which is 28.126. Second one, 23.0405. So at the moment, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 decimal place. So we want to write up to 3. So this is it, up to here. So therefore, we need to check the number after 0, this 0 here. So after 0 is 5, so halfway. So from 5 onward, of course, we need to add 1 to it. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So 23.041. 12.5987. We round to 3 decimal place. So which is up to here. So which is equal to, now after number after 8 is 7. So therefore we need